Today for Camp Warner Brothers, we're going to be making Steven Universe's Crystal Gem Candy. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified of new videos. So the first thing that we did for this is we took some lollipop sticks and wet them and then dipped them into sugar. We're going to set these aside to dry while we make our sugar crystal mixture. Okay, so we pour your water into the pot and bring to simmer on the stove.
This?
Yep, that's 1 cup of water. I didn't turn the stove on, so we can do that.
Should I put it on high?
We need to simmer it, so I would put it on like 2 or 4. Once your water begins to simmer, you want to add in your sugar a little at a time, making sure it dissolves completely in between each scoop. Have an adult pour the hot mixture into some glass jars. If you'd like, you can use a funnel to make this a little bit easier. One batch made 2 jars for us.
6 drops?
Yep. Just put it in. It doesn't need to go. We're gonna stir it up.
That good?
Yep.
That good? Yeah. That's very blue.
So guys, just a little bit. Grab another stick and start mixing.
When you're mixing, it's so cool.
That's too tall, isn't it?
Smells good. It's a dark purple.
You want to store the crystals in a cool, dark place. This is after a few hours of sitting. Our stick was a little too far in, but you can kind of see the crystals forming on the red and the blue. It's like stuck to the bottom. Oh no! Look! It's stuck! Now you just want to hang your candy to dry. So here's a look at the jar as I've dumped out we've got a mountain of crystals that grew in the center and on the sides.
We can eat it.
That's the apple one?
Yeah.
All right, so we broke a little piece out of the jar. You wanna take a bite?
I'm just gonna suck on it. That's really good.
Yeah?
I don't really have to suck on it.
Did it dissolve in your mouth? Cool. All right, how do they taste?
Tastes just like the rock candy that we get at the store.
Can I taste the blue one?
They taste the same.
No, they have.
No, they have different flavors.
They do?
Yep.
The other rough raspberry.
Nope. Switch.
This one's apple.
That tastes vanilla.
That one's the blue raspberry. And that one I think is apple.
Yeah.
I feel like blue raspberry.
Yeah.
Crystal gems!
Then again, that's what I get every single time. I always get blue.